Imagine this. Every month, a large portion of your paycheck goes towards paying off various debts. It feels like a never-ending cycle, doesn't it? This is a reality for countless individuals who grapple with the burden of debt. The stress and uncertainty can feel overwhelming, but you're far from alone in this struggle. Debt, in its many forms, is a common obstacle, but it's not an insurmountable one. Our aim today is to arm you with knowledge and strategies to effectively manage and overcome your debt. From understanding the different types of debt to exploring options like debt consolidation, we'll guide you through the process. We'll also discuss how maintaining a healthy credit history can help you in the long run. But don't worry, managing debt isn't a hopeless cause. It's time to break free and regain control of your finances. First, it's crucial to understand the different types of debt that you may be dealing with. Let's start with credit card debt. This is one of the most common forms of debt, and it can be particularly burdensome due to its high interest rates. When you use a credit card and don't pay off the balance in full each month, you're borrowing money from the credit card company, and they charge you for the privilege. Next, we have student loans. These are loans taken out to pay for higher education. The impact on your financial health can be significant, especially if you have a large amount of student loan debt. However, there are often options available for repayment plans and loan forgiveness programs, depending on your situation. Then there's mortgage debt. This is the money you owe on your home. While it's a large amount of debt, it's often considered good debt because it's an investment in an appreciable asset. Just remember, the key to managing mortgage debt is ensuring your monthly payments are affordable. And finally, there are auto loans, personal loans, and payday loans. These can carry hefty interest rates and should be approached with caution. Each type of debt has its own set of rules, interest rates, and impacts on your financial health. It's important to know what you're dealing with so you can create an effective plan to manage and reduce your debt. Understanding your debts is the first step towards effective management. If you're juggling multiple debts, there are options to simplify your payments. One such option is debt consolidation. This is a process where you combine several different debts into one single loan. Instead of keeping track of multiple payments and due dates, you're left with just one payment to manage. Debt consolidation can potentially reduce the total amount of interest you pay over the lifetime of your debts, especially if you're dealing with high-interest credit card debt. This strategy can also potentially lower your monthly payments, making your debt more manageable on a month-to-month basis. However, it's crucial to understand that debt consolidation is not a magic bullet. It can extend the length of your repayment period, which might result in you paying more over time, and it doesn't address the behaviors that led to the debt in the first place. Remember, consolidation is not a one-size-fits-all solution, but it can be a valuable tool in your debt management strategy. Improving your credit score is another key aspect of managing your debt. It may seem daunting, but there are simple strategies you can employ. Start by ensuring you're paying your bills on time. This may seem obvious, but even a single late payment can negatively impact your score. Next, keep your credit utilization low. This means using less than 30% of your available credit. Finally, maintain a diverse credit mix. This could include a mortgage, a car loan, and a credit card, for example. But remember, only take on debt you can afford to repay. A healthy credit score can open doors to better financial opportunities in the future. Now that you're armed with knowledge, it's time to envision a future free from the shackles of debt. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're in control of your finances. Envision the opportunities that open up when you're no longer weighed down by monthly payments and interest rates. Picture the confidence that comes when you're making choices based on financial freedom, not financial obligation. It's within your reach. All it takes is a commitment to making informed decisions and taking steady steps towards your financial goals. So take a deep breath and start your journey towards a debt-free life today. Remember, the journey to being debt-free is not a sprint, but a marathon. But with commitment and the right strategies, you can achieve financial freedom.